Hi friends, hope you all doing great. And this is a continuation video of Austrian road trip. I have already posted the part 1 of this road trip. In case if you are yet to watch that video, just take a look and watch it fully so that you will have some continuation in the part 2. So in this video we are going to see about the Texas Capitol building that we have here in Austin, and we also have electric scooters around this Texas Capitol building. We are going to try driving that vehicle, and then we are going to see about Barton Springs at the end. Without wasting much time, let's get into this video. Also don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button in case if you like the video. Okay friends, so let's start with the Texas Capitol building. Now we are looking at the Texas Capitol building in Austin in front view. So basically little left in the front view, and just look at the memorial statue that they have in front of the building. That is Texas African American History Memorial. So there should be some relation between Texas, Africa and America. So I don't know exactly what it is, so just Google it. And as you see here, there are so many green lands, so many green lawns. If you just take a walk into it, it's a heavenly feel. That's what I felt. Now we are looking at the front entrance of Texas Capitol building. So this is just similar to the Secretariat building that we have there in India in all the capitals, right? So it's similar to that one, but I don't know whether they will allow us to get inside the building in India, but here they do in all the states. And there is no entry fee to get into this building and look at what they have inside. Since it is closed due to the pandemic situation, I will show you the videos that I took previously when I came here. This is the hyperlapse that I took long back, and inside of the tomb, this is the inside of the dome that we saw from outside. So they have 4 layers, 4 levels, and on the center on top they have written Texas on it. So this is a side panoramic view that I took long back. So hope you get some idea about it. So this is the view that you will get inside of the Texas Capitol building. So next time when we come here, we will get into detail and see so many things inside. Okay, so now we are around the Texas Capitol building. Here we have the electric scooter. So this is basically a skateboard with motor attached and a handle to balance yourself. So let's see what it is. So it is from the Lime company. So they own this electric scooters. So we need to download their app to activate the scooter and drive it and enjoy it. So basically they have the QR code on the side. So basically I am trying to show you the battery now. So it is 92%. It is solar. It is being battery operated, and it is being charged with solar. And on the left hand side you see the QR code, right? So that is a code that we need to scan it in our app to activate this. Let's see in brief how to activate this bike. Now I have downloaded the Lime application in my mobile app. So now we need to enter all the basic details like entering the mobile numbers, entering credit card details, all those things. Once we have everything set up, we just need to scan the QR code in the scooter that we have here, and that will unlock it. Now I have scanned everything and it is unlocked. So as you see here, it is now more showing scan to unlock. So it is already unlocked. So here I am clicking how to ride, and it is giving so many details like how to ride, how to brake. So basically braking, we have 2 things. One is the handle itself, we have the brake. We can use this brake to stop the scooter. On the other handle we have acceleration button to give the acceleration. Now we started riding the bike, I mean the scooter. So at the initial stage I was little feared to drive this. So it was the balance was not there since I am driving it for the first time. So but I got used to it. Once I drive it for some 15-20 minutes, I got used to it. Then I was driving like a pro. Not like a pro, but still I can manage. Now we are driving in front of the Austin Capitol. As you see on the right hand side, there is a Austin Capitol building that you can see. So now I got little comfortable with handling this one, so I tried with one hand, but still there was little shake in my hand, but still I was able to manage it and take this video. This was totally new to me. So in this lane we can have only buses and bikes going on. In case if any cars or any personal vehicle are going and standing there, there is a fine of 500 rupees. I just want to show you guys this as well. So this is how you will feel when you ride this scooter. So I just mounted this camera on my head mount to show you guys the experience of riding this. I just wanted to show you guys the front view of this building while riding this scooter before finishing with the Austin Capitol building. Okay friends, now we finished riding this. We rided around 45 minutes, so it was $11. So it was in Indian rupees for about 820, 830 rupees. So we just locked it in the app and we are leaving. And I forgot to show you about this parking meter, right? Let's see about it. So initially it will have default 40 minutes. 40 minutes is about $1. So for 40 minutes parking we need to pay $1. So I am increasing it to about 2 hours. So I was increasing it to about 2 hours before I went into the scooter riding, all those things. Now I have 2 hours, $3, and that's all. Once we pay it is approved and we can just leave as it is. So it will have the timer. Our timer is expiring at 4:55 p.m. and we came well ahead of it, so no issues. So once we come in time, we can just take the car and leave. When I reached Barton Spring, I just realized it is also closed because of the count increase in Texas, and also it is a July 4th weekend. They don't want to expose people, let people to socialize themselves and increase the count again. So that's why they closed so many things here in Austin on July 4th weekend. So now there are so many people parking in the road next to the Barton Spring. So I was also trying to just park the car, try to get parking so that I can show some things. We are not going to get into the pool or something, but I just wanted to show you guys about Barton Spring, at least what we can experience when we go there. So that's why I'm trying to search parking, but even in this no parking area it is fully parked. I did not get any parking here also. Finally I went to some neighborhood that was little up in the hill and I parked it here. So this is the neighborhood that I parked, and it was like a mountain. I need to climb it. So now I am getting down the hill. So just watch it. See, so many cars are coming here, right? So many cars are coming here and parking here and trying to at least go and see what is Barton Springs, like I am doing. So while walking to the Barton Spring from the parking, I mean the neighborhood, I saw this baseball court. So I have not personally seen any baseball courts so far here in US or in India. So I was just getting into there and saw so many benches to sit and watch for the visitors. So there were 3 set of it, and there is also a umpire room where they can sit and monitor things. So this is a baseball court, guys. So I have seen in games. So like cricket is having 2 runners. This will have 4 runners. They will be standing at 4 corners. On the circle, the batsman will be standing and hitting the ball. So that is how they used to play baseball, and I wanted to show you guys the baseball court as well. That's why I was showing this to you. Just opposite to the baseball court we have a sculpture garden and museum, but this is also closed unfortunately. Yeah, in case if you are coming here, you can see all these things on normal days. See the scooter, guys. This is the one that we were riding in Austin Capitol building. So they used to have in all the places in Austin. They also have it in San Antonio. So finally we came into the steps where we need to climb down into the Barton Spring. The actual Barton Spring entrance is on the other side, that is closed because of the situation. So now we are getting into the steps to see what we have in Barton Springs. So basically this is the river that is originating in Barton Spring. Wow, just look at the color, guys. So it's amazing, mind-blowing colors, guys. So it is just in greenish blue color. The water color is really awesome, and it is contrasting with the tree colors of green, different colors of green, and there are so many colorful boats, kayaking, and so many air balloons people are using to float around. So let's get into the Barton Spring and see the other things. I'm just walking towards the Barton Spring. They have closed it, but still I'm going to walk until where we can go at this situation. So on the right hand side, if you see, there are so many people having pedal boat, having rowing boat, and also kayaking. Kayaking is something that they will stand and ride. So as you see there, the person is standing on the boat and he is rowing it, right? So that is called kayaking. I'm still walking towards it. It is very hot day that we had on July 3rd weekend. So July and August is the hottest summer here in Texas. I'm literally sweating badly today. It was really a pleasant experience, guys, to walk at the side of the colorful river. In case if you get a chance to visit Austin, please do visit. Never miss it. It is really an extreme natural experience you'll be getting here in Austin. Okay friends, so this is the entrance of Barton Springs. So post this place, they were not letting people to enter since it is officially closed. There are officials sitting at the entrance, as you see there. So they are not letting the people to get inside of Barton Spring. They also mentioned people who are enjoying here, they don't have official permissions to enjoy it. They are doing on their own. That's what they mentioned. But let me show you the video that I took in Barton Spring. Yeah, that's me who jumped into the water from the jumping pad. So this is how they used to have the Barton Springs. They have proper jumping pad, and they also have steps to get into the water. They have proper safeguard, all those things. But nothing is there in the water, in the river that people are enjoying there. So it's not safe here, right? So this is the river that people are enjoying. They have rope to jump into the water. They are using the trees as jumping pad, and there is no safeguard to save us in case if there is an emergency. And one more thing, we don't have any proper steps to get into the river. So it is natural. It is there is a slope that we need to use. So this is the slope that people are using to get into the water. So basically there is no proper steps, and we don't know what will be inside. So all those risks are there. But with all this hot summer, people wanted to have some relaxed weekend in the water, so they are enjoying. And they always have a speaker in their boat, and they used to enjoy with the music and all those things. It was a very nice experience to look at people. It was refreshing to my mind as well. Look at the bridge, guys. That is the one that we passed and came this side of the river, and we parked on right side of the river, and now we are walking and enjoying this river experience. Let's move forward and see what is there. So now we are under the bridge. Just see how amazing it is. The construct is really good, and people are enjoying in the shadow of the bridge also. So they are just staying inside the bridge shadow and escaping from the hot sun. So it was nice thing to do. When we walk further down the river, here there is a steel bridge, iron bridge basically, and they have mentioned no diving or jumping from this bridge. Yeah, people used to do all those crazy things, right? Like they were jumping from the trees. Some people may even try jumping from the bridge. So it is actually made of iron, and the bottom is totally made of wooden. It was iron cum wooden bridge. So on the left hand side we have the Barton Spring. So we have covered all the things on the left hand side, but there are few things that we can see on the right hand side of the bridge. So there are so many things to see, like there is a downtown view there. Just get into this side and quickly finish what we have there also. So now I am walking towards the downtown side of it. Look at the dog in the boat, guys. So even people used to take their dogs and let it enjoy along with them. Now we are at the end of the Barton Spring river. Here we have a sit out kind of place where we can sit and enjoy the view. So just see, guys, we have all the three sides with water, and they have a roof also, so we can sit in a shadow and enjoy the view of it. Now let's get into the bottom part of it and experience some of the interesting things, and then we can finish the video. So now we are at the bottom. So here, this side we have the Barton Spring River. On the left hand side, the one that you are looking now, right? So that is Colorado River. So Barton Spring water is basically joining the Colorado River at this spot, and it is going as a Colorado River further. At the end is the Austin downtown. We have so many buildings. See the playful dog there? He is actually chasing a duck over there, and both are enjoying. This is the downtown view, guys. So we have less number of buildings in Austin, not like Houston. So in Houston we have so many buildings, the downtown is big, but here we have less buildings. Enjoy the view of downtown along with Colorado River. Look at the dog, guys, and the innovational bag that this guy is having. That was really nice. Okay friends, now we are done with Austin and I'm returning back to Houston. So while returning back, this is in some ranch that I have seen deers and zebras. So I just stopped to show you guys. This is a zebra that I saw and stopped my car. Here it is very common to see deers over the roadside. So that's all, guys, for this video. So I just wanted to show you the moonrise and sunset before ending this video. Hope you like this video. So if you like this video, share it with your friends and consider subscribing for more videos like this. If you have any feedback, please don't hesitate to comment me. I will read all those feedback and change my way of doing videos. See you in my next interesting video. Until then, take care. Bye.